Good morning, children. So let's start chapter number 5, Anita and the Honeybees. Children, this chapter is all about a girl whose name is Anita Kushwaha. We will study about the girl. This is a true story. And in this chapter, Anita is a girl, and who was not allowed to go to school by her parents, right? But somehow she managed to go to school, and after going to school, her life is changed. She became an extraordinary girl from an ordinary girl. Yeah. So she's the one who is telling the story to all of us. So let's read about us, and we should learn from her. Okay. Let's start. My name is Anita Kushwaha. I live in Bochaha village. This is Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. I stay with my parent and two younger children. Okay, where does she live? She lives in Bochaha village. And where is Bochaha village? In Muzaffarpur. And where is Muzaffarpur? In Bihar. Okay, children? I study in college. Besides studying, I teach young children and also I keep honeybees. So she is studying and now she is in college. She teaches young children and she also keeps honeybees. Okay, we'll see why she keeps honeybees. Because she wants to earn something, right? While studying as well. Okay. Young. All this has not been easy for me when I was young. I used to spend all my time with my goats as they grazed for food. Okay? I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Yeah? How her condition is so tragic. Initially, when she was young, she used to spend all her time with her goats only. Okay, because she used to sit with the goats and goats used to just graze the food, eat the leaves and the grasses and all. But when she wanted to go to school, parents refused. And what they said, they did not like the idea of girls going to school. Okay, children. So children, this is a very, very important line you have to underline, all of you. Anita Kushwaha is a girl star. Okay? Who is Anita Kushwaha? Anita Kushwaha is a girl star. Right? And what is Girl Star? Girl Star is a project, okay, which tells an extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. This is the definition of the Girl Star, which is very, very important, children. Okay, please underline. Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. Okay, so we will be marking India on map later on. Moving ahead, children. Dream of school. A dream of school. One day, I peeped into the school in our village. I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children. See, when the school was going on, she peeped from outside, and she gets so excited that she wanted to sit, right? And silently she just went inside, okay, children, and sat down behind the children. I felt so happy. I went home and picked up courage to talk to my parents about going to school. But they told me clearly that I could not do so. That day I cried and cried. Look, children, she wanted to go to school so badly, but the parents, they refused. Okay. One of the teachers in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for my education up to class 8. The teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school. Somehow, my parents agreed. This is a good news, right? Somehow, the teacher convinced. She said there will be no money required, no fees required, okay? And it is by government, it is the rule and it is the right of every child to go to school. I started going to school. I did not get high marks, but I always asked many questions. Inquisitive. She used to ask a lot of questions. Okay. So this is very interesting. Now she is into the school, children. Yeah. And this is a work done by you. So you will have to ask your parents and fill this table. Okay. Ask your parents and fill this table. So this table has to be done. Travel to school and back means bus fees, notebook, pen, pencil, stationery, uniform, school bag, lunchbox, shoes, other things. Whatever other things are required, and money spent. You have to write the money spent on all that. Okay, and then total amount you have to mention. Right? It's just for you, so that you know how much money your parents are paying for you, how much money, like Anita used to be paying and that in her village. Okay, so this after asking your parents, you can fill this. How much money did you spend on your books? How much money? What kind of school uniform would you like to wear? Here, draw a picture of it in your notebook and color it. So, do you like your school uniform, children? Yes or no? And do you like to wear something else? If yes, then you can draw the diagram of your school uniform, right, in the notebook and color it. What kind of school uniform you want? Okay. Chalo, moving ahead.